Hey, what's up guys? I'm Marty and welcome to what's remaining of our barn here. I mean, man, talk about a cold, rainy week, huh? I mean, it's April. Things should be getting a little bit warmer, but I guess the cold is with us for a little bit longer still here. So do you remember that blue shed that we went to pick up just because it was free? I mean, I was kind of annoyed about it because we really had nothing to do with the shed. Well, it's over here. And this week for us has been still all about trying to get the animals resituated into like better housing situations.
So, how am I gonna talk these guys into coming?
So yeah, this week Mary Kate and I, my dad also helped pitch in a little bit to rebuild the shed for the goats, and this is how we did it.
So right now I'm in my basement and I grew flats of sweet peas, zinnias, and sunflowers because I just have a ton of those and I wanted to have some green. And I saved all of these packages from last year. So I am potting them and putting them separate to see which ones will work good in planters. I don't really know if these are gonna do well, but I just had a lot of extra and just trying to make do with what we have. So we'll see how these turn out.
Hey guys, want to come to your new home? All right, so I think it's time to move these guys to their new home in the shed. So, how am I gonna talk these guys into coming? Hi. Should I take your babies? Will you follow your babies? This is not working out.
Well, yeah, I think the goats are way happier now in their new shed. At least until we get this new barn built. We are in the process now of going out and getting quotes for the new barn. So that's kind of where we're at with that phase of things. It doesn't look like we're probably gonna be able to have anything up until like fall. Kind of have my fingers crossed that we just get it done before winter. So hopefully that ends up working out, but I'll keep you guys posted on the progress and also appreciate you guys watching today, and we'll see you next week. Bye guys.